Hello guys and welcome to my channel. You're watching the very first video on my channel, so congrats or thanks, I guess. For my first project I wanted to choose something really inspiring, so I picked her, Izabella Miko from the Killer's music video from 2004, Mr. Brightside. I had a huge crush with both Brandon and Izabella, though I'm heterosexual, thank you very much. Wow, this video went personal really quick. Awkward. Well, I started by adding some color to her cheeks, eyes and lips. This is actually my second doll repaint. With the first one I learned a lot what not to do when repainting a doll. So I tried not to do the same mistakes again. I learned that the most important thing in customizing dolls is to slowly build color layers, then spray Mr. Super Clear and continue adding colors. And that's what I did. Though you can't really see it because I forgot to film it. Oops. At first, it was quite hard to find Mr. Super Clear, so if you are interested in starting this hobby, I suggest that you buy the sealant first. Pastels and watercolor pencils you can find almost everywhere. As you can see, I am now just building the color layers and hoping I don't screw up. But while I'm drawing her eyes and lips, I have time to tell you about the dress. Ever since I saw the music video I wanted to look like her, and especially I wanted to have a dress like that. And so did my sister. We have ever since tried to find a similar dress and, well, not succeed. So this is one way to express my love for the music video and the dress. And now that I found the right fabric at my local store, I can sew my own Mr. Brightside dress. Someday. I made the wig and the clothes off camera, so I won't be showing you how I did them. Actually, I wasn't sure if I was going to succeed, but I was really happy how they turned out, although the dress is not exactly the same. It doesn't have the yellow details, but it's close enough. It is close enough, I tell you. When you are drawing eyes, it really helps to look at a reference picture, or even an eye drawing tutorial. For my first doll, I didn't somehow believe that the little details would show, so her eyes look kind of cartoonish, which I didn't like afterwards. Also, I found out that if you use acrylics for the light reflections in her eyes, you maybe shouldn't make them too white. It doesn't look natural. And no, I'm not gonna show it to you. Well, maybe if this video gets like 10,000 likes or something, then I might. In the music video, Miss Atomic Bomb is dancing in a Moulin Rouge kind of cabaret, and you would think that she had more makeup because of that. But actually, her makeup in the music video is kind of simple. And I didn't want to ruin her face by putting too much eyeshadow or drawing too many eyelashes. and her lips are supernatural too. But I have to admit that I used a lot of red on her cheeks. I think it makes her look super cute, just like in the music video. If you haven't ever watched the video or even heard of it, I think you should go and watch it right now. Yes, I understand if you want to go now and leave me behind. Do it. Yes, you can do it. Did you do it? Are you still here? Oh, how nice! To me, this song is also iconic. Every time I hear it on the radio, or if I'm dancing at a bar with my best friend and Mr. Brightside starts to play, we immediately start to sing and dance along. It is definitely one of the best songs in early 2000s. Or what do you think? Which song is the best of... let's say from 2000 to 2010, maybe? For me, Mr. Brightside is one of those songs that never gets old. Now that the doll is almost ready, I'd like to ask if you have any doll repainting ideas for me. I have some ideas of my own. A few. Well, a bunch of them. You'll see them in the future videos. I was so nervous when drawing her eyebrows and eyelashes. The risk of ruining her face is enormous. Well, you can always erase the layer if you have used Mr. Superclear before starting the lashes and brows. But, nevertheless, as a starting doll artist, I was still petrified. Once I was afraid, I was petrified. By the way, I'm a huge fan of those reflections. They make the doll look alive. Though, when you are using a gloss sealant for the eyes, it naturally causes the reflection. But nah, I'm drawing them anyway, because I think they look so cute. Oh no, my eyes! I think I'm blind! And here is her dress, wig and her lovely garters. I also made her a little necklace out of some old jewelry pearls that I had lying around. Don't strangle me! No! Please! Help! Help! And here she is! Finally! Miss Atomic Bomb! I'm really happy with the final result. I hope you like her too. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.